Hello everyone, I'm Akshas Vinuja and today I am going to tell you about MS Excel. Now I'm going to tell you about the main features of MS Excel by the help of the spec. This is known as active cell. The cell which is bordered with the black outline is known as active cell, and if you enter any text it will be entered in the active cell. This is known as title bar. The place where the name of the file is shown is known as title bar. This is known as file tab, and this is known as status bar. Status bar is a place where many information about the worksheet in which you are working are shown, and this hole is known as ribbon. Now we are going to know all the features of MS Excel. First, title bar. It is located on the top of the window that shows the name of the current workbook, like this as shown in the pic. Second, file tab. A green button located at the left top corner that contains a file menu command such as new, open, save and etc. is known as file tab. Third, quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. It displays quick access button of save, undo and redo commands. Ribbon. This bar has tabs with group of related commands displayed on it. Formula bar. It is used to enter and edit formulas and perform calculations on your worksheet data. It is also used for entertaining, editing, and all contents. Name box. The address of the active cell is displayed in the name box. Worksheet window. It is a single page in Excel, also known as a spreadsheet. Status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom shows various information about the file in which you are working. The right section of the status bar has view controls buttons for the spreadsheet. Row. The horizontal division on a worksheet are called rows. They are 10, 10,48,576 rows in an Excel worksheet. Columns. The vertical division on a worksheet are called columns. They are 16,384 columns in an Excel worksheet. Row and column heading button. Work area is divided into rows and columns. The rows are referred to as using numbers and column using the alphabet. The row heading range from 1 to 10,48,576 and columns heading range from A to XFD. Cell. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. A cell in an Excel worksheet looks like a rectangular box. Active cell. A cell is formed by the intersection of rows and columns. The currently selected cell that appears highlighted with dark black border is an active cell. The data is entered in an active cell. Mouse pointer. The mouse pointer is displayed as a block plus sign whenever it is located in a cell on the worksheet. Another common shape of the mouse pointer is the block arrow. Worksheet tab. There can be more than one worksheet in Excel and each has specific name. Any worksheet can be activated by clicking on the worksheet tab. Worksheet tab scrolling button. These are arranged on the left side of the horizontal scroll bar. These are used to display the worksheet tabs which are invisible. The tab is clicked to make a worksheet active. Workbook. A workbook is a collection of different worksheets. By default, workbook contains three worksheets, which are sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. They can be increased or decreased as per the requirement. How to make a new workbook. To make a new workbook, click on this file option. Now click on the new option here, and now double click on this blank workbook, and your new workbook will be opened. How to enter text in a cell. For entering the text in a cell, click on the left click on the cell in which you want to enter the text. After entering the text, you can press enter to switch to the down cell, and you can also move the cell right and left by the right. How to increase the height of the row and the width of the column. These are known as rows and these are known as columns. So first we will know how to increase the height of a row. So first we will select the row in which we want to increase the height. Now we'll click on this format and select row height. After selecting row height, it will ask us that what should be the height that you want. My current height of the row is 14.5. Now I want to change it to 18, and I will enter or click on this OK button. I'm entering right now, and the height of the row changes. Now I will tell you how to change the width of the column. For changing the width of the column, select the column of which you want to change the width, and now again go to the format drop down menu and click on the column width option. After clicking this, again the dialog box appears with the column width heading, and it will ask you what should be the column width. I'm entering 15 here, and I will press enter. The column width of this column which I have selected, this B1, is changed now. First we have learned how to increase the width of the column and the height of the row by the help of this format manually. But now if I write a text which is going out of the boundary and I want to increase the size of this column without using this format, I will select this D column, and now I will double click on the right corner of this D column. After double clicking, it will automatically take the size of my text. How to insert a row or a column. If I have written A here, and now I remember I want to write something else in the second column. Now what can I do? I will select this column and I will press insert here. After pressing insert, a new row will be inserted here. And the same is with the column. If I have written A in horizontal line, and now I want to write something else in the C column, I will select the C column by clicking on the C letter. The whole column will be the whole row will be selected, and after clicking on this, I will click on this insert option and a new column will be inserted. The the text which was on that column will be shifted to the right column. How to merge columns. I can merge columns, two or more than two columns. Right now I'm selecting four columns, and now I'll click on merge and center option. After clicking this, the four columns will appear as one column. Now how can I split them if I want? like uh, if these are merged column, I can split it by again clicking on this merge and center option. But what will happen if I have written something in the merged column. Like I have merged it, and I have written uh, my name. I've written it, but now I want to split it. After splitting it, clicking on the merge and center, it will split, and the text which was in the whole column will appear in the first column. How can we wrap text? Like first we have seen that if the text is going out of the boundary, then we can double click here and the size of the column will be extended. But what can we do if we want that um, not the size of the column to be increased, but the size of the row to be increased? Look, like I am entering AAA and it is going out of the boundary. Now what can I do? That the size of this column will not increase, but the size of the row will be increased. To do this, we will click on this wrap text option. After clicking this, the text which was extended out of the boundary of this column be will be shifted downwards. How can we use autofill feature? To use autofill feature, we have to always fill the first two contents of the row. Now like I have filled these two, Monday and Tuesday. Now I'll select these both and place the cursor at the right corner of them and shift it to downwards. It will show that till the row which you are selecting, what will filled in that row. Like I'm selecting it till the next Sunday. Now a chart for the 2 weeks is ready here. Same as with the numbering 1 and 2. I have filled first two 1 and 2. I will select these both and place the cursor at right corner. I will fill it till like can I can fill it till unlimited. Like I'm now filling it till 15. The numbers till 15 are filled here. Same as with January and February. We can select these both and place the cursor at the right corner. After doing it, I can drag it. Now I'm making it till the next March. Your chart is ready here. First, we will know how can we use text fill option. For using text fill option, we need a text filled in a cell. Like now I'm selecting this whole chart which we have made and I will click on this A, or we can also select the different type of color here and also select this more color. It will give us option for selecting different type of shades of color. Like right now I'm selecting this um, yellow color. After selecting this, we have to click on OK and the color will be changed like this. We can also change the color of the cell. Like this is the I've selected these all cells. I will select this and I can also see here the different type of, it will show how will it look. Like it also contains more color option like this. I'm right now selecting from that option here, this one. All the colors of the cell are filled here. Now I am going to tell you how to use cell style option. I'm selecting these all cells, and now I'm going to click on this uh, cell style option in the style group in the home tab. After clicking this, many cell types comes here. We can look how does it look. Uh, like currently I am selecting this one. Uh, After selecting this, all the style of the cells will change, which I've selected will change like this. Now we'll know how can we edit the tab. Tabs are present here. Different type of worksheets are present here. We can increase the number of these worksheets like this, and the many worksheets are present here now. Now we will know how can we edit this. We can right click on any worksheet, and many options are present here in the drop down menu. Now like I am selecting this rename option. I will rename it as computer. Now I will click on enter and it will be renamed. Can also rename any other, like I'm renaming it as hello. It is also renamed. Now some other option are also present here, like tab color. Right now I'm selecting this yellow color for my tab, this one. You can also select color for any tab here present here, like I'm selecting red for the second one. Now you can see the colors are filled here. I've not edited this 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 worksheets. I have edited this first and second. It We can also do many more options like here view code, move and copy, insert and delete, tab color, hide, select all sheets. How can we remove and apply cell border? Like I'm selecting these all cells, and now I will go to this cell border option here and click on this drop down menu. Many options are present here, like thick bottom border, and this all up, down, left and right. Right now I'm selecting this all border option, and now you can see that the cells which I have selected now contains all borders. Now we will see how can we remove this. The same method we will follow. We'll select these and go to the drop down menu and select this no border option. Now it is like the previous time. There is no border here in in the cells which I have selected. Now we'll learn how can we do number formatting. Right now, like for example, I am writing here 4-11-2021. It's a date. I will press enter, and now you can see it has changed your date. And here it is showing date, that your number format is date. But now I want to change this 11 to the name of the month. Now what can I do? I will go to this drop down menu. I will go to the more number formats option. It will come here. In the date option, I will select this. For it is showing, for example, 14 March 2012. We'll select this and press OK, and you can see that that 11 is now changed to the name of the month. Now I will show you how can we change a number to currency. Like I am typing here 200. We'll press enter, and now we'll go to this. I will go to the more number format option again and press the currency option. It's here. Now it is currently showing the Indian rupees. I can also change it to, like right now I'm changing it to Canadian dollars. After changing this, I will press OK and it will change. We can do many more options here, like it are present here accounting, currency, number, journal, long date, and many more options here. I've shown you the two shortest method of doing or changing the date type and the currency.